Hi guys, can you solve this types of expressions or BODMAS problems? You always have a confused that. So first we should solve this bracket or this bracket. First we have like addition or subtraction. So let's have. Today I am going to show you a simple easy trick to remember BODMAS and how we can apply for the expressions to get the correct answer. Alright, let's first understand what actually BODMAS means. It's actually a rule, so that tells us the order in which to solve the mathematical expressions. Right? Let's decode now BODMAS. So first, B stand for brackets. Means first we should go with open close bracket, square bracket and then square bracket. Let's say you have a problem of like this, like 3 plus 4 plus 5, then plus 1, we have like this. Right? First you should solve these bracket, like 4 plus 5 is 9. Then add with this. Right? So 3 plus 9 will be 12. Then add with this. 12 plus 1 is 13. Means first you should go with the order of open close bracket, flower bracket, then square bracket. Yes. Next, so O stands for half. Means like 3 of 14 or 3 of 5 or like 2 of x plus 1. So in this, how you simplify? You write like 2x plus 2 into 1 is 2. So like this we will consider if you have a half or if you have in the problem as a brackets, right? Next, D stands for division. I think you know that. And M stands for multiplication and A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. You just need to follow the order of the operation, then you will always get the correct answer. Let's try simple example. Say 4 into 2, 8 divided by 3. If you observe that, if you go with the BODMAS, first we need to do brackets, right? 4 2s are 8. Then after that, so write the numbers. So here only you will do most of the mistakes, right? So what you will do, you will just add. No, first we should do division. After that we should do addition, right? So 8 divided by 2 is 4, then add the 8. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is the right answer, right? So next consider this. So in here, first we should do bracket, then we should go for a division, right? So 1 by 3 divided by, so 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 1. Again here also first we should choose division over negative, over subtraction, right? So here, so 1 by 3 is there. If I take the denominator of this will become multiplication and 3 will become 1 by 3 now? Yes, right, minus 1. So then first we should do multiplication, then subtraction. 1 over 9 minus 1. So 1 minus 9 over 9. So it will be minus 8, 9. Easy, right? Yes. Let's try this trickier one. So if you observe this, you have all the operations, multiplication, addition along with open close bracket and square bracket. According to the rule, first we should solve the open close bracket. In this open close bracket, we have division. So first we should do division, right? 7 by 7 is 1 now. So can I write 1? Then regarding this, you have a sign 1. So add this. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then after that, we have a multiplication with 7. So multiply this. 8 7s are 56. Then we have addition with the 7. 56 plus 7 is 63. Then here, first we have a division, then after do addition, right? See, 7 by 7 is 1 now. So can I write plus 1? Then, so this will become 64. See, that's our answer. Easy, right? Don't blindly follow the BODMAS strict order. So, if you have division and multiplication together, so first we should go with division. Means like this. If you have both division and multiplication together, first you will go with division, then multiplication. If you have addition or subtraction, first you will go with addition, then subtraction. Means you always goes to like left to right. So that's it for today's trick. So if this video helpful for you, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more maths like this, and comment your answer for this question. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep calculating.